If a relaxed coastal lifestyle and proximity to the water is what you seek, you're gonna love what 100 Limpus Avenue in Keppel Sands has to offer. Sprawling over 2 levels and offering so much space and potential, one of the hidden gems of this property has to be the genuine dual living. How's this for a shed? 11 by 7.5 metres with extra awning and power. Situated on a 640 metre square allotment and offering ocean glimpses throughout, only a stone's throw to the water. If you'd like to own your piece of paradise, please do not hesitate to reach out to me, Anna McPherson. I'd love to talk to you.